Welcome to this tip on SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation Templates. My name is Andreas Klump, and I'll show you how Flow Simulation Templates can significantly reduce setup time, reduce human error, and enable consistency for your simulation projects. How many times have you set up the same flow simulation parameters over and over again? Different projects or product lines, but still same settings, same boundary conditions and loads. It's tedious, time-consuming, and prone to errors. But what if I tell you there's a way to save all those carefully tweaked settings and reuse them with just a few clicks? Let's get to it. That's where Flow Simulation Templates come in. These powerful presets allow you to save complete simulation configurations, including mesh and mesh refinement settings, units, loads and boundary conditions, fluid, physics, as well as post-processing configuration for plots and others. Let me show you how it works. What we have here is a simulation setup to calculate the flow coefficient for a valve. First, set up your flow simulation with all the parameters you commonly use. Make sure to make it obvious to the template users what are the settings that are related to geometry, IDs or volumes, and need to be defined and verified. Right-click on the flow simulation study in your feature tree. Select Create Template. Name your template something descriptive like flow coefficient. Click Save, and that's it. Your template is ready to use. For a new project, doesn't matter if it's an assembly or a single part, go to the Flow Simulation tab. Select New. Instead of starting from scratch, choose the right template from the drop-down list. All your boundary conditions, mesh settings, result parameters, everything is automatically applied. Now confirm all the pop-up windows that might appear to apply the template. Find the clearly marked geometry definitions and update them. Run the simulation and get results in a way that they are standardized and comparable for repetitive tasks. Let's summarize what we just have seen. By using flow simulation templates, you will save hours of repetitive setup time, reduce human error, standardize simulation approaches across projects and teams, create more consistent, comparable results, free up time to focus on design improvements rather than simulation setup. That's it for today's tip. If you found this helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to check out our other 30th anniversary tips and tricks. Flow Simulation Templates. Just one of the many ways SOLIDWORKS has been making your job easier for 3 decades now.